We have Foxtrot requesting 3-4 if that's possible.
Not possible, sorry.
Tower 0300, Razorback approach, time maintain 10,000.
Not, I'm the real.
This is Springdale Tower.
Like 3-4 is on request.
10,000, Sky was 0300.
Trevor's actually ATC.
Actually, Macbeth.
Actually, don't listen to this guy.
No, he's Razorback approach, Skyhawk 46346 calling. Oh, dang.
They don't care about it.
They can't hear.
Tower 0300, turn 10 degrees left, vectors for the visual to runway 34, descend and maintain 6,000.
10 left, vectors for the
Approach unanswered, say again.
Oh, I can do perfect.
Yeah, Razorback approach, Skyhawk 46346 was calling. We're 31 miles southeast Springdale on our way to Springdale. We're level 4,500. Like to pick up flight following if you got time.
Number 46346, squawk 0423.
0423, 346.
043.
0423.
This is 671, 6,000 to 610,000.
All you have to do is remember 4 digits.
Tower 5670, Razorback approach, descend and maintain 10,000, turn 10.
We just hit some pretty major turbulence.
We're making a call to SWA 4684. You're 32,900 feet above.
Southwest Airlines. You
Watch out.
It's SWA. SWA means.
Whoa.
Oh gosh.
We're hitting some turbulence bad, Cass.
No, we don't say turbulence. We say turbulence.
turbulence.
It's turbulent up here.
Cassie, I'm gonna smack your head in the roof.
It's turbulent. It's turbulent up here. It's turbulent. It's turbulent. Here, you can tell our pilot ranked by our headset. I have these. He has those. Cassie has. Cassie, show me yours. Oh, yeah.
They're vintage.
Yeah, those are actually from World War II.
Yeah, they sound like it.
My great-grandpa wore them when he bombed Hiroshima.
Yeah, I can barely hear you.
Our great grandpa is James Doolittle.
Yeah, that's why my grandpa's name is James. My dad's name is James.
And
Ruben just does do little.
Rachel Doolittle.
Redway 18.
My grandpa actually named the bomb. Fat man, little boy. Fat boy, little man.
You know what the planes were? You know what the name of the
Enola Gay.
And the boxcar.
That's because he had an uncle and his name was Enola. Our seats had stickers on it so that you can see who's the pilot and who's not. Like, you know which one's the pilot seat? Look at that sticker.
Like if we crash?
No, like when you get in, you're like, oh, which one do I get in? And that one has a pilot sticker, so.
That white mark way in the middle?
Yep. No, first one.
Like before the number?
Yep. No. No. And that is a Skyhawk.
Turbulence! Turbulence!
1 mile here, 1 mile here, 1 mile here.
Screw that.
That's some bull.
I'm in number 2.
People Papa Golf is turn final runway 4. Coming.
Crossing midfield for runway 4.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Let's fly over there.
Keep going?
Well, let's not hit a bird though. Bro, hold on. Don't go up.
Yeah, they dive. You're supposed to go up.
Whoa, that was a whole flop.
Alright, good. I
Okay.
got rid of them.
Let's fly over there.
Where?
Straight
My
to
flaps are already.
bring them up.
People Papa Golf, upwind runway 4, be left close, transmatter.
most of the stupid stuff we say in response is not on the mic, actually.
Yes. You'll know if it's on the mic because it'll be quieter.
Right.
Plus, we're probably more serious. We got the message. Ready for
We
navigation.
just got the message.
Altitude input failed.
We just got the message.
We just got the message.
I wonder what it says.
Conway Travis Sky 46346, crossing missile runway 4. Conway.
Up a golf. The plane.
That'd be good footage. Looks like a Sears.
That's got high wings.
No, it doesn't. Don't make me look stupid in front of my friends.
All my subscribers. Okay, let's try again without the birds.
Alright, birds get out of the way. Birds get out of the way.
Birds
This is how you lose speed right here.
You birds can never take
Conway
off.
traffic,
Sky
Cessna 24
off.
Papa Golf, exit runway 4 Charlie. Alpha back to runway 4 for takeoff.
Oh, he's going back to take off? He must have not done very good.
It must have not.
Oh yeah, he's...
10 degrees flaps. For any of you student pilots out there, here's what my instructor told me. As soon as your wingtip touches or gets on that number, pull car beat, power at 1700 RPMs, 10 degrees flaps. But you gotta make sure you're in the wide arc.
You would be if you did it in that order. That's the whole point.
Conway Travis Sky 346, low base runway 4, Conway. And then as I'm turning on my base, 20 degrees more flaps. Try to keep it at 80 on the airspeed.
Roll out.
Roll it
Funnel
out.
is clear, but we got where the birds at.
The whole birds. Get the crap out of my face.
That's Rosin, that's our sponsor, bro.
Oh, my bad. Get that good stuff out of my face. And the whole key to landing.
Is being super high.
Keeping it relaxed, baby. Keeping it relaxed, baby.
Yeah, you're never gonna make it where I did.
Oh,
See-
I'm not trying to. I must put it on the freaking.
See the number 4 and the 2 big fat lines in the middle? I landed at about...
We need to put a we need to put a camera on the spinner.
Hey, there's Papa Golf. One of my oldest friends.
That's a Star Wars reference.
Dang, Papa Golf is nice.
Oh yeah, dude, that's right next to my hangar.
I love Papa Golf.
Shut up, jeez. It's still going. And that's how you do it. Sky 346, clearly active. Conway.
At Charlie. That makes you sound
The Mooney is still
Get
5
on.
miles
Too
out
late.
before we even hit downwind, so you have plenty of time if you need to take off.
That guy.
That's Burma. I'll tell you what, I'm going to take off and depart.
We'll
to
wait.
the east. Let you
Keep him nameless and calm, Papa Golf. So long, Papa Golf.
Oh, Papa Golf.
Salute.
Ruben.
Be our intro. Actually, they just redid all the insides.
I know, I looked in it. It's got a G1000.
Yeah, it's nice.
Come on. Can't help.
Fine.
Got a video. Oh, look, it's Papa Golf.